Okay, fam, it's my garden walkthrough. It's like everybody's working today. All these machines, mowers. Let's see. So there's hubby. Hubby's cutting the grass. Alright. So, alright, let's check on the garden. Alright, flowers looking good. Tomatoes are popping. Getting into the 80s degrees now. So let's check on hubby's. This is hubby's garden. He just got him a little spot here. Because I started taking over. Alright. Let me see, there's some bugs. Something's been trying to eat my little pepper plants here. See, something bit that one. And then I do see a ladybug. So I don't see any aphids. Ladybugs are beneficial. So ladybugs, they'll eat the aphids and all that stuff. So if something's going on, you see a ladybug, it's good. You see frogs. Frogs mean you have a good ecosystem. And they eat a lot of insects and stuff like that you don't want in your garden. So you see a little frog, I go, hey froggy, and they like it around here. And then if I'm watering, then I'll go on and I'll spray them down. They'll just lay there and take that moisture in. So yeah, so everything is just beginning to bud out. It's not any big changes yet, but I do this because I want to see the progress. There go hubby over there. Alright, so this won't be a long video. But now that we're getting into the 80 degrees, things are going to start happening really fast now. Because these plants are established and they can handle it now that if it gets hotter, they can handle it. And let's see. I didn't bring my little stick where I can move these leaves. I like to keep the leaves. I like them to protect our little plants here. Okay. Go over here. You can see those squashes in there growing nicely. They're going beautifully. I got a couple of zucchini. I'm more of a zucchini girl, but I had seeds, squash seeds. I had so many, and I got them from Dollar Tree. And I said, I just have never planted these. So let me just plant them, see what's going on. Here's some cantaloupe right here. So they're doing good. These are probably 24, 25 cantaloupe seeds. Squash. But I'm a zucchini girl, and I got some zucchini plants growing in there. They're in the greenhouse. I've got to plant them up. So, let me see how they're doing. I'm gonna have to dump. Some of these are self-watering containers. Sometimes when that water collects in that reservoir, it stinks. I'm smelling it, so I'm gonna have to dump that out. So these are things, you know, just check on every day, so I don't have to have a big job to do like one weekend. You know, I can just kind of take care of little things as they crop up. Let me get into the greenhouse. Okay, so I guess hubby gave our neighbor her plants, and here are my same old, what's that, sweet potato. And I'm gonna be redesigning the greenhouse pretty soon, because I got these planters here and all I do is like put junk in them. So I'm gonna redesign it. So here are my plants. Showed you guys them last week. They're growing nicely. My Roma tomatoes I did on April 20th. Bok choy, cabbage, I did those in March. No, this is my second succession. I just used the same tag. What are these? These are cantaloupe over here. And what I got, pumpkin. I love a little sugar pie pumpkins here. And everything I'm doing is kind of on a smaller scale. What I got here, I got some straight 8. My cucumbers I did on April 20th. They're doing well. And my zucchini. I got 4 zucchini and a sugar baby pumpkin. So showed you guys I haven't done anything. I haven't up potted those yet, because what I'll do, I just got some more 5-gallon grow bags here. I just got them, so I'm like putting soil in them, getting them ready so I can just plop the plants in there. And I got some Expert Gardener. I had a Walmart. Walmart will deliver, because you know it's getting too heavy for me to lift those things up. So I got some Expert Garden potting mix. This is how many? These up to 6 months. It's for potted plants. It's 2 cubic feet. This bag was big, and so I carried. The price was good, and I thought it was going to be half the size, but this big bag. For what was it, $8 or something? It was $8. So I had them deliver 6 bags. So they delivered 6 bags, and it was too heavy for me to like take it from the garage into the greenhouse. So I was like in the garage potting up my grow bags till it got half the size. Now I can handle half the size. So that's why I can't always do everything fast enough, because I have to, like, you know, if it's a day I don't feel like lifting, I won't lift. And so I have to do things in stages. So because I'm feeling myself like, you know, getting out of shape. Because I used to be in shape. And I don't even care that I'm getting older. I still can be in shape. You know, so. Alright, so since I got some potting mix out here, I'm going to start loading up my grow bags and putting in my cucumbers are going to go first. Put them in, so probably by the next time the next video, I'll be up potting my zucchini, my cucumbers and zucchini, probably. It's 80 degrees in here. All right, see you later, since hubby's back here with the lawnmower. See you guys later. Thanks so much for your support.